How to post on LinkedIn. So if you want to post on LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and go with search and search for LinkedIn. Once you search, go with linkedin.com and you can continue with your Google or make sure to sign in. Now, once you've signed in, you just need simply go with start a post or try writing with AI, which is right here on the upper side, and you will get this kind of interface. This is basically same like Facebook or Twitter. So you just need to simply enter something or write something that you would like to write, and then you can go with video if you want to add a video, and go with add a photo if you want to add, and you can create an event, and you can go with more if you want to have more options right here. You can create a poll, or you can celebrate an occasion, share that you're hiring, add a document, and find an expert. You can choose any one of these and then simply write something and go with post, which is on the bottom right, and you can also schedule for later on this post. So go with post and it will be posted. So that's how you can post on LinkedIn, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.